morning, Mr. Rooster. You crow so loud and clear. Cock-a-doodle-doo you sing to tell us day is here. The sun peeks through the window. The sky turns pink and gold. The farm begins to sparkle bright. A brand new day unfolds. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. You wake the sleepy cows. They stretch and move and stomp their feet and shake their heads and brows. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. The ducks begin to quack. They waddle down toward the pond and never do look back. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. The pigs roll in the hay. They snort and giggle side by side and splash the mud away. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. The horses start to neigh. They gallop round the grassy fields and chase the clouds away. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. The kittens start to purr. They tumble, roll, and chase their tails. Their meows are soft as fur. Now noon is shining brightly. The rooster takes a rest. He sits beneath the apple tree and fluffs his feathered chest. When evening paints the sunset, the sky turns red and deep. The rooster yawns and closes his eyes and hums himself to sleep. Good night, dear Mr. Rooster. You saw